Hi there. Welcome to Christina's Kitchen. Tonight, my husband and I are going on a date night. And instead of doing our usual restaurant or bar, we decided to have a picnic in Eden Park, which is a beautiful, large park near downtown Cincinnati. Within Eden Park is actually an art museum, the Cincinnati Art Museum. It's opened late tonight until 8, and we're going to meander around there after our picnic. Now, my husband loves shrimp. So I decided to make something that I know can stay cool and that is healthy. He's actually on a bit of a health kick right now. So I made my shrimp ceviche. You can actually check that out in a link. I also made a cilantro lime slaw, and it has some julienne bell peppers. It's very light and refreshing. I also have some tortilla chips. Now these I use to scoop the ceviche, and because he's on a health kick, it's such a small bag because it's just for me. Now you can think what you want, but I actually really love the generic tortilla chips because they are saltier than other brands. First thing we're gonna need is an insulated bag, which you see here. Whatever is hot will stay hot. Whatever is cold will stay cold, unless you mix both in there, which defeats the purpose. I'm going to add the cabbage slaw. We're going to put our shrimp ceviche. On top of the ceviche, and before the chips and drinks, I'm going to put that ice pack in there. Even though it's going to be in the fridge for a while, I want to make sure it stays cold because ain't nobody getting sick on my watch. My tortilla chips, keyword there, mine. Some beverages. Let's put those in there. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get some koozies. I love using these koozies because one, they keep our drinks cold, and two, it's always fun to see where we got them. Congratulations, Putz's Creamy Whip for 75 years and Andrew and Alicia for their wedding back in 2017. Okay, I feel like I want a dessert. What are we going to be doing for this? Found some. You know how I said he's on a health kick? So I think this is 97% dark cocoa, dark chocolate. So there's that for him. He can enjoy that. And then for me, I have a Ferrero Rocher. I can't say it in French. And a Lindt chocolate. So I'm going to throw those in there. I don't have the biggest sweet tooth. I just like a little bit to kind of, be a treat. Oh, silverware. And by silverware, I mean plasticware. Napkins. Okay, got our napkins. Should I put the blanket in here? Or should I just hold it? Let's see if this sucker fits in there. I bet we can make it work. Okay. Oh, let's see if it closes. Oh, it does. I don't know why I do this. It's like a little challenge to myself. Living life on the edge, I guess. But it did it. I did it. It fit. There you have it. A whole day packed into one little bag.